Now that's $80 and then that's $5,000. So that the mission here is actually quite simple. Push this $80 through to this $5,000, withdraw live right now also, and give to a random subscriber here. All we'll be using today will just be a mobile device, so that every single trader here will be able to replicate this exact same process. If you can watch this video from beginning till the end, you should be able to see every single concept and every single strategy we'll be using to achieve this mission now. But then just before we go on, if you're new to the Speaker YouTube channel, just remember to hit on subscribe button, hit the like button, and also remember to turn the notification bell so you don't miss any videos that will be dropping out from this place. So that not to waste so much time, let's dive in now. Boom. Okay guys, now just like I already told you, all we'll just be using today will just be a mobile device. We'll also be using a stacking method, right? That's exactly what we'll be using today, because I read a lot of comments and I saw that a lot of people were asking to explain how the stacking method works, and that's exactly what we'll just be using today, right? So we'll storm into trades on minor lot sizes of 0.1. That's exactly the lot size we'll just be using today, and no matter the amount of our capital as we rise, we'll keep using as 0.1 to stack in our trades. And also we'll be using unlimited leverage to trade now. The link to the broker, I already dropped it in the description box, and that's always my recommended broker. And not to waste so much time, let's start now. All right, okay guys, so this is exactly what we're having currently, right? All right, so we're actually just having a capital of just roughly $80, right? So that's just exactly what we're having around that spot, right? Cool. Okay, now what are we having here now? Let me just show you that on our gold, because that's what we'll be using. We can literally see our support region at about that spot, right? Good. And then okay, let me just show you that again. Okay, all right, so you can literally see that, right? So that's actually a support level at about that region. And then let me show you how it actually got there at first. What can you see at about this spot here now? You can literally see that a nice breakout actually occurred here, right? You can literally see that, right? Good. And then it dropped down towards particular range, towards our region just at about the spot at support level. And then after that, what do you notice now? That this stuff wants to drop down towards particular region, right? Just to hit a daily trend line smoothly, just like that. And then if we check out this stuff now, what do you expect now? Hit the zone, plays around the spot, after which it drops down towards particular spot, right? To just hit a major a major level on a daily time frame. So what are we expecting now? For this stuff to just play around this region, right? To just keep playing here, pushes up, and after which it drops down, and then finally drops down again, of course. But then what we can just be doing on this trade, we just be buying, because this stuff overall is on an uptrend. But then let's go on a 5 minutes time frame now to streamline our entry points, right? Okay, you can literally see that, right? So that's actually a normal rejection occurring there, right? So we're expecting to break around these regions, right? Play around this region, after which then we should be expecting to drop down again to possibly break our level at the bottom smoothly, just like that, to go and hit a daily trend at about that spot. Okay, so let's try checking this now on 1 minute time frame. Remember, we'll be buying because this stuff is on an uptrend, so we don't want to sell on gold, guys. We don't want to sell currently. Okay, so what can you see currently at about this spot? You notice that this stuff wants to break above it, right? And then I'm just trying to wait for this stuff to even break above it on a 1 minute time frame, because we're having a lot of bullish momentum there. You can literally see that. So let's just see. Okay, so we'll be using 0.1 like I already told you, but we are not buying now, of course, right? We are not buying now, but we'll just wait and just see how this particular stuff actually goes. So okay, I think this stuff should push up at least above this region now. Let's see. I think that will be it. Let's see. Good. Yeah, good. You can see that it's already taken off above this region, right? So you can literally just see that, right? So what we just be expecting is for it to just break above this region completely, comes back for a retest, and then we can actually just stock into some trades smoothly, just like that.
A few moments later.
All right, okay guys, now this is exactly what we're having currently. You can literally see that, right? So this class of just broke out completely smoothly, just like that. You can literally see that. Okay, now let me just show you this class stuff. So you can literally see just broke out of this region completely, push back down for a retest, and now it's pushing up. So guys, let's actually quickly storm into some trades on this class stuff. There's no need to waste any time. Okay, so I'm still going to show you how this stuff actually moved towards particular region again, but let's just stock in some trades for the meantime. All right, accept that. Okay, all right, so you can literally see that, right? You can literally see the movement at about this region, right? You can literally see that. That's actually massive. You can literally see just broke out of this region, came back for a retest, and now it's taking off smoothly, just like that. So let me just show you that again. You can literally see, right? pushed out and then came back for a retest, right? I'm just showing you several times to make sure you get it, what I'm trying to say. Okay, now that's it, guys. You can just see the movement. It's actually just pushing up smoothly like that. Okay, so all we just wait for now, because we'll be zooming out of this trade. We're expecting to hit all of these zones, of course, so we'll be going into some more positions. Okay, so let's just see. All right, so on a 5-minute time frame, a lot of bullish momentum there. 1-minute time frame looking good also. I guess we'll be zooming off this trade because we already have we've doubled our capital already. Okay, let's just leave, guys. We're trying to scale up further now. Okay, so we're actually having about 232 currently, guys, which is very smooth.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, now this is exactly what we're having currently. You can just literally see this, right? Now it actually just dropped down finally to hit our zone here after we left that trade. Okay, so what are we expecting now? We're expecting that this particular stop should just play around and then push up again, because it has actually hit our final level, right? You can literally see that it has actually hit our final level. So guys, let me just quickly show you this. What can you see there? That was actually a bearish hammer, right? So that this particular stop should pin this region, and then we should be expecting a huge push towards the top, right? And then you can see that also on let's say on a 50 minutes time frame. But okay, let's try dropping to maybe like 5 minutes time frame. But let me just show you this stuff first. You can literally see that this particular stuff wants to push up towards particular region. On a 5 minutes time frame is clearer now. You can see it wants to push up to hit a trend line here on a 5 minutes time frame smoothly, just like that. So guys, what can we do? We can easily storm into some more trades on this particular spot, right? Because you can push out of this region towards the top. Okay, let me just show you that. Okay, so what are we having now on a 1 minute time frame? We can see that it pushed up, and then what happened there was actually a nice breakout. Look at it. Let me just show you that. You can see that, right? You can see that a breakout here. So it pushed up towards particular region, after which it dropped back down to give a retest, and after that, what do we notice? It started pushing up smoothly like this. And what can you see now? It has actually hit a maximum level of drop at about this spot, which is now our support, right? So what can we do? We can zoom into this particular trade also, right? All right, okay, so we're just expecting to push up towards particular region, right? You can literally just see that. Okay, so towards particular spot, so you can actually understand what I'm talking about. All right, so guys, I guess we can storm into this trade. Let's just storm into this trade. 232 bucks. Okay, let's just use 0.1. Remember, we're using stacking method. The reason why we're using stacking method is in case of retracement, so that we can actually place in our trades on different positions, and then that way we can easily stock into some more trades. That's just the reason, guys. That's just the reason. So that's just why we're actually trying to stack in a lot of positions on this particular stuff smoothly, just like that. All right, so this particular stuff is still moving smoothly, guys. You can see what we're having here. We're having a crazy level of rejection, a lot of rejection candlesticks there. All right, 112. All right, so this is looking very smooth. This is looking really smooth, right? But we'll just keep waiting. Okay, still playing around. All right, so this is what we're having currently, right? All right, I think we'll be leaving this trade very soon. You can see it already broke out of this region, and we expect to hit this level here, right? But we might have to leave before then, of course, because our capital is still very minor. Okay, I'm thinking of leaving this trade, but let's just hold a little bit more. We might leave, but okay, maybe you should just push up a little bit. Let's storm into some more trades. Since we have a full breakout now from that particular region, let's stock into some more trades for the meantime, right? Let's just stock into some more trades. I think we're good though. I think we're good. It should hit this region, but I think we're good. If it just pushes up a little bit, okay, let's leave this trade. I think we should leave this trade, guys. I think we should leave this trade. Now, it's actually because our capital is still minor. That's just why. If not for that, we would have still been holding this trade. So we're having like just roughly 623 bucks, which is actually very smooth, guys.
A few moments later.
Boom. All right, okay guys, so this is exactly what we're having currently. You can literally still see a nice breakout at about this region, right? After which, remember guys, we actually have a nice level at about this spot, right? A nice level of takeoff from this region, and then this is actually what we call a mini order block also, right? You can literally see the level, and then it originated from this particular region, and so if it hits this particular zone, we are zooming into this particular trade. Let me just show you that, right? So you can literally see that region where we actually place a horizontal, which is as already hit. So we're just waiting for a complete rejection now, and we can zoom into the trade, right? Because that's our origin, right? That's our origin at about that spot, right? You can literally see it. So it's actually, we just need a major rejection break from this spot now, right? So if it closes, good, it closed, that's it. So you can see it, right? It closed. So let's storm into this particular trade on 0.1 again. right? 0.1. So we're expecting this particular stuff to push up smoothly like that, right? That's just what we're expecting now to happen around this region. All right, so we're still in red, but it's cool. We're still in red, but it's cool. Okay, so I'm just stocking in more positions. I'm just trying to stock in on 0.1. You can see it, right? The reason why I'm stocking it, right? Because I can go into trades on different positions now, right? If I'm using minor lot sizes of 0.1. I remember we're still using unlimited leverage. This is exactly what we're having. So this has been looking really, really smooth, right? But then we are over $1,000 now, so our unlimited leverage is now like 1 to 2,000. But it's still cool, right? It's still cool. Okay, so guys, so let's zoom up the trade. Let's just zoom up. Boom. So we're actually having about 1.7k currently, which is very smooth, guy. The only thing is we can't use unlimited leverage again, but boom. All right, okay guys, now this is exactly what we're having now. You might know this a lot, right? This is actually what we call a double bottom, right? I guess a lot of people know about this, right? So this is actually what we call a double bottom. And then what are we seeing now about this region? You can literally see it, right? Now it actually just got rejected, right? I don't have to say that, right? So what are we expecting? To push up smoothly like that, right? So we don't even need to do a lot of analysis here. You just see it hits the first and then it hits the second, and now we can easily go into this particular trade without any stress at all. So guys, what are we waiting for? Let's go into this particular trade, right? Let's just zoom off. You can actually see this particular rejection there. So there's really no need holding this weight anymore, guys. There's really no need. Okay, so we're still in red. I guess we'll be stocking into some more positions, of course, but look at free margin. We still have a lot, right? And then these are margin currently, and that's because we are no longer using unlimited leverage. So if you notice, our margin wasn't even showing before, but now it's showing because our leverage actually dropped to like 1 to 2,000, but it's still cool, guys. It's still cool. All right, so I think we'll be stocking into some more. Let's just stock in some more. All right, let's stock in some more. All right, I guess we'll still be stocking some more trades, of course. Let's just stock in some more for the meantime. All right, so this is actually looking very, very interesting now. Very interesting. Okay, we're still in red. Not very cool, but it's okay, guys, it's okay. All right, guys, so this is exactly what we're having currently, right? So you can literally see this, right? So we are actually still on nice profits currently, right? So it's actually still playing, but we can still stock in some more. But let's just watch how this stuff actually goes. Stocking some more for the meantime. Let's just stock in some more. All right, and boom. Okay guys, so this is exactly what we're having currently. You can literally see this, guys. So we're actually running roughly over 1.4k currently. We are stacked in a lot of positions. I guess we'll be zooming up the street now. right? Because we don't want to be greedy also, guys. We don't want to be greedy, but then guys, this is actually very small. You can see what a stacking can do. It just decorates the whole chart with trade smoothly. Okay, let's leave this trade. Let's not talk too much and miss stuff. Oh, why is it not closing? Okay, so we're actually having about 3.6k currently, guys, which is very, very smooth. So we're very, very close.
A few moments later,
we are still having just roughly 3.3k currently. So look at this particular stop, guys. So it's actually hit this spot now and give us a third touch. Remember, now we're having a third touch at about this region, and then what do you expect now? To push up smoothly, right? You know what happens on third touches. So it gave us a rejection and then gave us a confirmation for a rejection, and now we can easily just stock into this trade without any issues at all, right? You already know how this particular stop actually goes, guys. All right, so these are first, second, and then this is a third that is about to happen. So we're expecting a spike towards the top. I don't know, but we'll just see. We might have to leave this trade about this region because it might also drop from that region. Okay, so it actually just broke out the region. Let's be careful now. We might have to leave this trade now. Okay, now we've actually hit a 5k, but let's just stock in some more. We actually just hit a target, but let's just stock in some more. Let's see, because it seems like well, when there's free pips, they are like, we can't waste pips, guys. Let's just stock in some more for the meantime. Let's just see. We might have to leave now though, but you can literally see all our trades, right? Looking very smooth. We're still having some red on some, of course, but then I guess we might have to leave this trade now because we've already hit a target. Let's just leave. We don't have to be greedy, guys. Let's just leave. Okay, so guys, so that we're actually having just roughly 5.7k now, guys. 5.7k. That's actually very, very clean, guys. That's actually very, very smooth. And also, I forgot to tell you, I dropped a re-entry of this particular trade on gold. I actually dropped it on the private channel, and of course, after a few minutes, I actually dropped it also on the free channel so that every single person there can actually cash out also. And also, guys, just like I already told you, we'll just be cashing out from the market right now. That's a 5.7k, which is actually very smooth because at target was actually 5,000 bucks, but why not, guys? We'll just withdraw all of the profits now, and then we'll just be giving it out to one random subscriber from the comment section, of course.
A few moments later.
Boom. All right, guys. Okay, guys, so this is exactly what we're having now. So we're just having our $80 back now, so after cashing out all our profits. And then if we try going through our history now, you can literally see that we actually that's our deposit of $80, right? And then that's actually the profit which we just cashed out now. And of course, that's actually our withdrawal. That's the amount we just withdraw, and then we are back to our balance of $80 smoothly, just like that. And then of course, here were all the trades that we actually took also, right? So these were all the trades that we actually took, right? Smoothly, just like that, right? Just kind of like a lot of trades, because we're stocking, of course. We're trying to like stocking today, right? So that's actually just how this perclass actually goes, guys, so that we are back to $80 smoothly, just like that. So that if we actually come closer now, you should actually see our profit clearer now, and then you should actually see our deposit there, and then you should actually see the amount we actually cashed out from the market, and then you should actually see our balance currently, which is actually $80 back to that now. Boom. Okay, guys, so that just as perclass actually goes. Just remember, guys, for every single video that can hit over 1,000 likes within 24 hours, that's before we actually hit over 100,000 subscribers, I'll be coming back to that very video, running through in the comment section, and I'll be selecting 3 random traders that will just be funding $3,000 each, just like that. If you're new to the YouTube channel, just remember to hit the subscription button, hit the like button, and also remember to turn the notification bell so you don't miss any videos I'll be dropping out from this place. So that's just how perclass actually goes, guys. So bye from guys. I'm Mr. P. Peace.